How to fix Bing chat not working or not loading. So first we go to bing.com, click on the chat, and if you have access to this already but it's not loading, make sure that you are using Microsoft Edge browser to use the new chat function of Bing as it's not available to other browsers yet. When you click on chat, this window should pop up. Some of you might see chat mode is only available when you have access. If you see this, go join the waitlist if you haven't, and wait for 2 to 4 business days, and they will eventually grant you the access to Bing Chat. You might also see open on Microsoft Edge, and make sure that your email logged in your browser is the same with the email who is granted with the Bing Chat already. If you check these factors and Bing Chat is still not loading, proceed to clearing your cookies as this has helped to fix account and loading issues in Bing Chat. Using Edge browser, click on the three dots on the top right corner, click on Settings, proceed to Cookies and Site Permissions, manage and delete cookies and site data, and then tap on See All. Search for bing.com and proceed to clear all cookies and data. Also, make sure to turn off any VPN or proxy connection when using Bing Chat, as this could be seen as sharing your account. Open your Windows settings in the Network and Internet section, select VPN, and make sure that it's all disconnected. After this, your chat on Bing.com should be working now. That is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.